The importance of reviewing maintenance logs for energy efficiency. In the quest for improved operational efficiency and reduced energy costs, businesses often overlook one of their most valuable resources: maintenance logs. These records, documenting all maintenance activities performed on equipment and systems, can offer critical insights into recurring issues and potential energy inefficiencies. Understanding maintenance logs. Maintenance logs are detailed accounts of repairs, inspections, and routine upkeep carried out on machinery, HVAC systems, and other critical infrastructure. By regularly reviewing these logs, facility managers can identify trends and patterns that may point to underlying problems. For instance, if a particular piece of equipment frequently requires repairs, it may not only indicate a need for replacement but also signal that it is operating inefficiently, consuming more energy than necessary. Identifying recurring issues. One of the primary benefits of maintenance logs is their ability to highlight recurring issues. For example, if a specific system breaks down every few months, it may signify a design flaw, inadequate maintenance practices, or the need for an upgrade. Addressing these problems proactively can prevent future breakdowns, thereby reducing downtime and associated costs. Spotting energy inefficiencies. Energy inefficiencies often stem from poorly maintained equipment. Maintenance logs can help identify systems that exhibit signs of declining performance, such as increased energy consumption or failure to meet set operational standards. By analyzing these logs, organizations can prioritize maintenance efforts on the least efficient equipment. Actionable insights for improvement. To make the most of maintenance logs, businesses should establish a routine review process. This could involve monthly or quarterly assessments where patterns are analyzed. Implementing energy audits alongside these reviews can further bolster efforts to identify inefficiencies. Conclusion. Incorporating maintenance log reviews into regular operational assessments provides organizations with a powerful tool for enhancing energy efficiency. By identifying recurring issues and inefficiencies, businesses can take actionable steps toward optimizing performance, reducing costs, and contributing to a more sustainable future.